It's really terrible. The streets are filled with garbage. Mouses, cockroaches, and flies are appearing everywhere.
Ew!
The people are advised to wear masks when going outside.
If trash is not cleaned up, there is a risk of disease outbreaks.
The air is heavily polluted.
My garbage truck is broken. I can't collect the garbage anymore.
No problem. I'll build a new garbage truck for you. How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Everyone, I come back with my new garbage truck.
You'll work well.
Wish you work efficiently.
Welcome back.
Let's start collecting trash now. Great, it's exactly what it works.
Keep up the good work cleaning.
You do very well.
Look what I did.
Hang in there, Alex.
Thank you for helping to clean our environment.
I'm done.
This morning, a giant Orbeez rain occurred at Lego Park. The sudden rain caused heavy damage to the park.
Let's go, Mr. Hand. We need to help them clean up the giant Orbeez at the park. We are here to help you.
What a great garbage truck.
Marvelous.
I did it.
Yeah!
Orbeez have been completely collected. The park is clean again.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste. Recyclable waste.
Good job. See you soon.
Glass waste. How to build the garbage train. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the chain. Step 2. Build the bin. Step 3. Complete assembly. Install the engine. Add the tank. Testing. Plastic waste. Sawdust waste.
The stench of garbage is absolutely revolting. Stop right now. The thief is on the train.
Hazardous waste.
Help me. Help me.
Railroad crossing.
The car's brakes are broken!
Someone calls 911.
I've had an accident. I need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back.
We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together.
Let's begin.
Are you okay?
I got an idea.
Yeah. Huh? Look.
Huh? I think we need to move the sand away.
Okay.
Hello, Tom, I need all those vegetables.
Huh? Look.
Let's do it together.
Okay. Huh? Thank you, Alex. Huh? Thank you so much.
Hurry! Leave the fire!
The fire was very large.
Let's me check the fire truck. Too small.
Let's me build a new one. Let's build a fire truck. Step 1. Build fire truck's body. Step 2. Build fire truck's wheels. Step 3. Build fire truck's water tank. Step 4. Build fire truck's head. Step 5. Build fire truck's ladder. Step 6. Testing moving fire truck. Step 7. Testing fire truck sprinkler.
Yay, let's go.
How it works. Hurry, let's evacuate. The fire was under control.
Oh no.
Let me move the car.
Oh no, out of water.
We must look for water sources.
I found it.
The sprinkler is full. Let's put out the fire.
Don't worry. Come on, kitten. Your kitten was safe.
Oh, Mr. Fireman, thank you.
You're A.
Thank you.